see, there's all mud all over the front of the caravan from when we on our trip down here. So we're going to use the Colapz shower head travel one. So let's see how it gets on. I quite like this because with a bucket and sponge you're going to waste loads of water, whereas you're only going to need to use as much water as you need via the trigger. So let's power it on. Here we go. So let's waste not, want not. So you can only spray it when you actually need some water. Use as little as possible. Quick rinse off. And there you go, I've used minimal amount of water. Happy days.